All right, so now we're going to talk about getting a business phone number. This is very, very important because you don't want to use your personal phone number for your business. In the beginning, I used mine, and it gets very complicated very fast. And you're getting like personal texts, but you're getting business text as well from clients. And you never want to be in a position where you send like a personal text that maybe to a client, and then it's just gets messy, right? And it's something maybe you shouldn't even send to a client. You don't want that problem. So the best way to solve this issue is for you to get a business phone number. Now, this right here is my business phone, right? Oops. This right here is my business phone. This is with Verizon, right? I have a business mobile line with Verizon, and we pay about $70 a month for this phone with the business line. Now, this is one option. You can get a completely separate phone for your business and then add a mobile line to it and have it completely separate than your personal phone. That's the more expensive option. You don't need to do that, right? One option that you have, especially if you're getting started, is to get an online phone number. So what we can do here is I'm going to show you guys how we do it. So here, I made a slide here just to show you guys phone number. You can get one with a major carrier like AT&T, Verizon, or T-Mobile like I did, or you can get a free number with Google Voice. Google Voice is a great way to get a phone number. So let's go here. Let's close these. Google phone number, Google Voice is a Google way. It's a Google phone number that they give you, and we're gonna click here, and we're gonna use it right here. So now here's the key, right? If we click for business, it's gonna want to charge us, right? You're gonna pay for the business. If you use it for personal use, but then just say that you're using it for personal use, but then use it for your business, then it's going to be free. For personal use, all that's going to happen is that you're going to sign up for Google Voice using your personal Gmail account. For business, you're going to use your business Gmail account, and you're going to have to pay for it, right? Just when I got started in my cleaning business, I did personal use, and we're going to go web, and then hello. Yeah, and then I would just sign in with my personal email account for my personal Gmail account for Google Voice, and then sign up for this. And how it looks like is, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Hopefully I can. So this is how it would look like here. Let me see if I can show you guys. And this is how it looks like right here. It's a little app. All right, so here's the homepage of my business iPhone. And then I'm going to click on voice. And right there is Camille is one of our clients. And then the other two numbers are just random numbers. But we don't use this number right now. Right, there's only one client that uses it, and that's obviously the person that you see here on the phone calls, and it's because she's just been with us for a very long time, and she just likes to use this phone number for some reason. I've given her all of our other phone numbers, but she never uses it. So this is what it looks like. It's very easy. You can call, you can receive phone calls. They give you a phone number. It's connected to the app. And then when someone calls that phone number, it actually rings on the phone itself. So your phone will ring but it will actually tell you that it's a Google Voice phone call. So it's really cool. It's a great way to set apart your business and personal life on your phone without having to get a completely new phone for your business. You can do everything on one phone, your personal phone, but also have that app that has the Google Voice number on there for your business. There are other services that do this as well. So if we look at, if we go here and we search up business phone number, you're going to get a lot of different services that provide you this, like Freedom Voice right here. Ring Central provides, Vonage, there you go, Wirefly. There's a lot of different services online that will help you get a business phone number online. And then, again, all you need to do is just download an app, or they will just forward every phone call to that phone number to your phone, and then you can do your business that way. That's the cheaper option. Won't cost that much per month for you to set up something like that. There's a lot of very easy ways for you to set that up in very cheap ways. But if you want to go a more kind of established way with a major carrier, you can do that. Another option, I don't know about other phone carriers, but for Verizon, they have this one thing called OneTalk. So I don't know if you guys can see that. There's this app right here called OneTalk. And OneTalk is similar to like a Google Voice, and they'll give you like an online number, and you can use it for your business. And it's like a virtual number, and you can use it for your business. And so, but I think that you still need to have Verizon as a major carrier. So like you just need to have, like my personal phone is a Verizon phone, and then I can get that app, right? So just ideas for you to think about. Now let's talk about why it's important for you to get a business number, other than the fact that it separates your business life from your personal life. Is you're going to be marketing this phone number, right? You're going to be putting it on business cards. You're going to be putting it on flyers. You're going to be putting it on, and there's a chance that you're gonna put online, and there's a chance that you're gonna start getting a lot of phone calls from salesmen, right? People that want to sell you marketing services, web design services, SEO services. Because what these guys do, they'll go on Google, they'll search up businesses in your area, and then they'll go and start calling all those numbers. And so you don't want that spam. Not only do you want to separate just your business life and your personal life on your phone, you don't want to get bombarded with all this spam on your personal phone. So having that separated, you can control, the phone calls you get. You can put a filter on it. You can put all these different things. So you're making it easier for yourself that way. And then again, it's a more professional way. I set up my voicemail inbox for my business phone with a very professional voicemail message that says, thank you for calling it Bennett Cleaning Services. This is, thank you for calling Bennett Cleaning Services. We're away from the phone right now. We're helping another client. Please leave your name, number, and all that stuff. It's very professional, and it's branded, and it's on my phone. So you can't do that on your personal phone. You can only do that if you have a separate business line, which you can set that up for. So just an idea of that you can do is, if you don't want to go with a major carrier, you can go with a Google Voice phone number or any other alternative service that provides that. But again, they're going to charge you. You can go with the Google Voice number personal, sign up with your personal Gmail, and then set it up that way. This is good if you're just getting started. However, if you have a business if you've been in business for a while, then I would say just actually set up a mobile number with a major carrier, right? Get yourself a separate business phone, and then do things that way. I like the separate business phone because I have all my business apps on here, business Gmails, business text messages. Everything business is on this phone, which makes my life easier. Every time I leave the house, I just take this phone with me and I'm ready to go. I can work anywhere, no matter where, right? I like to create systems, and this is a great way to create a system for your business that makes it easier for you to operate and manage your day-to-day operations. So those are the two options. And now we're going to move on to the email in the next video.